What if you could save up to 30% of your irrigation system's monthly water usage, add smart control and intelligence without replacing it? All for less than $100? Now you can. Sprinkl Conserve gives you the power to remotely adjust your irrigation system and conserve valuable water resources with a simple add-on that works with any existing low-voltage irrigation system. Installation is simple. First, mount near your existing irrigation controller. Then install the supplied wires on both systems. To connect over Wi-Fi, turn on Conserve. Then download the Sprinkl app, register for a new account, and follow the instructions. Once installed, Conserve works by acting as an intelligent rain sensor to determine when and how frequently to water, by connecting to the cloud for weather forecasts, historical rainfall data, and municipal water restrictions for its installed location. Conservation rules can be customized from your smartphone to meet your specific needs. In addition to conservation, Conserve adds the ability to extend the existing system schedule to accommodate bi-weekly and beyond watering schedules. And since Conserve is connected to the cloud, watering can be completely disabled or enabled from your smartphone, and even your Apple Watch.
Introducing Arlo Ultra, the ultimate 4K UHD wireless security camera that protects what matters most. 4K video lets you see all the details, up close and personal, so they're easy to distinguish. And a 180-degree field of view gives you wider coverage without fisheye distortion. A built-in motion-activated spotlight wards off unwelcome guests, or helps guide welcomed ones. And two-way noise-canceling audio lets you clearly see and speak with anyone.
Hi, can you leave it in the front door? I'll be down in just a minute.
Right here, okay?
Perfect.
Arlo's intelligence auto-zooms and tracks movement, focusing its frame on what matters, while an intense siren easily wards off any intruders. An adjustable magnetic mount allows you to get the perfect angle, and magnetic charging makes life just that much easier. And with the included advanced smart hub, all your favorite Arlo connected devices will have improved battery life and superior long-range wireless coverage. Arlo Ultra. Protection perfected.
It's time to take the next leap in Wi-Fi. Introducing Orbi Wi-Fi 6 from NETGEAR. Never worry about Wi-Fi again with the fastest Wi-Fi ever and 4 times the connection capacity so you can connect more, do more, and stream more simultaneously in true 4K Ultra HD. Enjoy more, period. Fill your home with powerful, reliable Wi-Fi inside and out with faster, stronger, smarter whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. Easily set up your Wi-Fi with the Orbi app and connect in minutes to the fastest, highest capacity, best Wi-Fi ever. With Wi-Fi this advanced, you're going to want it everywhere. Orbi Wi-Fi 6 from NETGEAR, the best Wi-Fi everywhere.
Meet Nanit, the only monitor that puts your baby's sleep development in your hands without a wearable. That's because Nanit is the most advanced nursery camera ever. It learns how your baby moves and tells you if your baby is fussy, awake, or sleeping like a dream. All so your baby and you can get a better night's sleep. Nanit's unique bird's eye view delivers stunning HD live views, zoom, and best-in-class night vision. And it even works when the internet is down. Advanced sleep analysis goes way beyond the basics to show you parent visits and summarize each night. Compare your baby's sleep with healthy averages and see improvements happen right before your eyes. And only Nanit provides actionable guidance right in your app, tailored to your baby. Our sleep coaching tips are based on your baby's unique sleeping patterns. Every tip is based on real observations made by Nanit's smart algorithms. Real-time motion and sound notifications keep you in the know, even when you're using other apps. Nanit automatically captures special moments with fun, shareable milestones, so you can celebrate big days and everyday achievements. Take Nanit anywhere, from the bassinet to grandma's house, with the optional multi-stand. And with Amazon Alexa, you can get the story of your baby's sleep just by asking. We did all this and more to bring happy days and restful nights to your whole family.
That work? Can you see me?
Yeah, it's working. This is super cool.
Are you gonna help me clean up your toys?
Delivery.
Be right there.
Hello?
Am I gonna get it or are you gonna get it? I'll get it. I'll get it. Hey, thank you.
Come on.
Hey, can I help you? Hey!
No, sorry, I'm not home.
I'm coming.
Introducing Roku Premiere. HD, 4K, and HDR streaming made easy at an incredible value. Setup is a cinch with the included premium HDMI cable. Enjoy stunning 4K and HDR picture quality with sharp resolution and vivid color. Use the simple remote to control your player. Easily find free TV, live news, sports, movies, and premium subscriptions, all on the Roku channel, your home for free and premium TV. Search across top streaming channels and see your results ranked by price. For easy streaming in HD, 4K, and HDR, nothing beats the value of Roku Premiere. There's a Roku player for everyone. Choose the player that's right for you.
Meet Echo Sub, a powerful subwoofer for your Echo. It adds deep, rich bass to your Echo or Echo Plus through a down-firing 6-inch woofer. Now you can listen to all your favorite music with dynamically tuned sounds you can feel. Alexa, play my Party Jams playlist.
Your playlist, Party Jams, on Amazon Music.
Setting up Echo Sub is easy. Just plug it in, open the Alexa app, and connect to your compatible Echo devices. Pair Echo Sub with a single Echo for full-range music, or add an additional Echo for stereo sound that fills the room. And whenever you need some extra oomph, just ask. Alexa, turn up the bass. Echo Sub from Amazon.
Alexa, turn off the bedroom humidifier.
Okay.
Good night.